Hello and welcome back to the fifth video in this OpenGL and Raspberry Pi video series. Today we're going to be doing primitive rotation. So last video we did scene rotation, today we're going to be doing primitive rotation. And actually it's very easy to do. Remember, right now we are doing CPU calls to the GPU in order to draw things on the screen in the frame buffer. So that is one way to do this. We will cover other ways of drawing later on, but right now we're doing the simple way. So if you look at what we have right now, build and run, we have a window in which we can rotate the scene, and we do this by first rotating the scene at 0, 0, 0, and then translating to the object we wish to draw. So we take the entire scene, rotate it, move the scene back, draw, push the scene, and then rotate back. So it looks as if the entire scene is rotated. If we want to rotate the square instead of the whole scene, check this out. I'm just going to move that glTranslatef before the rotation. And then, look at that. We are now rotating the square instead of the scene. In fact, we can do this. We can add a key that we can hit that will toggle rotation. So let's do that really quick. Interesting, not quite what I wanted, but let's see if we can work it through. Okay, so not quite all the bugs worked out in this, but the demonstration still holds true. We can use the arrow keys in order to move the scene around. And then we can toggle to object rotation mode by hitting R, and then rotating the object there in place. If you hit R again to toggle, it won't quite work correctly. It'll snap to some weird location, off screen. In fact, let me add this. Now we can reset our view in case something goes wildly off screen and we can't see it. Cool. So that there is scene rotation and object rotation. All you have to do is just rearrange the translation and rotation. One way does scene, the other way does object. And it's that easy. We'll be doing drawing and multiple objects and stuff in the next video, and I'll see you then.